Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a cool minute since you guys have seen me. Um, a lot has happened in the past few months. I don't even remember when I posted my last video. But just to be brief, um, you guys know my father was dealing with a lot of medical issues, and unfortunately, he passed away in May. So that was horrible. Father's Day was horrible. Um, and then my car got broken into one time, and then it got stolen, and I got it back within 2 hours because I have OnStar. So thank God for Chevy and its OnStar. So I know that was a lot right there, but I don't want to get emotional and all that. I just wanted to be brief. So there's that. I did not feel comfortable staying where I was at. It was actually a gated apartment complex, but their gate hadn't been working, and a lot of stuff went wrong when we moved in. We moved from one unit to another unit, and like the air conditioner wasn't working, the electrical outlets, the flooring, like the tub, like y'all, it was a hot mess. When I tell you God will move you to where he wants you to be, baby. So we are back at my parents' house, which I think is good because, it's good for her to, not be alone right now. So I do remember doing some house tours and updates and stuff. We have decided on a builder, and we have decided on a floor plan, so yay for that. Once that gets going, I'll be doing like a house to home or house buying series. That won't be until about November. So we are planning on that. So there's an update with that. Other than that, everything else is fine. Me and baby's fine. My family, everyone's well. We're dealing with everything, and we're just keeping it pushing. Doing what we can. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. Those that are still watching videos, my new subscribers, hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. There will be more videos coming soon. I know I've been saying that for a while, but y'all, I just got to get my life together. And I don't want to say I'm gonna upload on certain days and do a schedule and all that, and then I don't come through. I would rather post, actual content. So someone is pregnant. So I'm not going to tell y'all who is pregnant. But we are doing the gender reveal this Saturday. So I will be vlogging that, and that will be coming up. That'll be put up shortly. And all of that. So I'll tell you guys that someone is pregnant, but I'm not going to tell you who. You got to stay tuned for that. I don't want this video to be too long, but I did want to come on here and let you guys know that I'm still alive. And that a lot has just been going on, and that's why I haven't been uploading. I am natural. Walking my natural. Y'all see my curls coming through? Look at curls. Look at curls. If y'all want me to do a tutorial on how I get my curls so defined, let me know. My edges, everything probably look a hot mess now because it's the end of the day, but there's that. I have new glasses. I don't know if y'all have seen these yet. I have new sunglasses too. I don't even have any makeup on. I have lips and eyebrows. That's about it. It's been hot as hell. Today is actually 84, but like last week and the week before, it's been like in the hundreds, nonstop, in the hundreds. So sorry, y'all. I'm vlogging on my phone. Sorry if the quality is horrible and I keep looking in the wrong place, but I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update and let you guys know what's going on with me. I appreciate all the continued support. If you guys want some more Just Talks, or let me know whatever suggestions or videos you guys would like to see. I don't even have my computer set up. Like, So that's why I'm doing this on my phone, so I can just upload it from my phone. So this won't even be a seriously edited video. So yes, you guys, I love y'all. I miss y'all. So again, welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I do have posted. I do have over like 100 videos posted, so you guys can watch those. But new ones will be coming up. Again, someone is pregnant. I'm not telling you guys who is pregnant, but you will be finding out and seeing the gender reveal soon. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.